Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by linking the essentials. Make sure you are an admin on the Facebook page or profile and have Zoom installed. Once done, enable live streaming in Zoom settings. That gives you the ability to stream meetings. Next, open Facebook and choose Create Live, then copy the stream key and server URL. Make a concise title, description, and privacy choice. You do this now so the next steps use real credentials. Otherwise, the stream will fail when connecting. You now configure the meeting itself. Start the Zoom meeting as host and click More, then live on custom live streaming service. Paste the Facebook server URL and stream key you copied. Make sure the stream name matches your Facebook title. Also set video quality to 720p for stability, select the correct microphone and camera, and assign co-hosts so they can manage participants. Once all sources are chosen and screen share permissions set, you are ready to initiate You click Start Streaming in Zoom, then switch to Facebook where a live preview appears. Confirm and press Go Live on Facebook to start broadcasting. Monitor the feed for audio, video, and viewer comments. Delegate moderation to a co-host so you can focus on content and switching presenters. When you finish, end the meeting to stop the stream. If something goes wrong, verify the stream key, restart Zoom, lower the bitrate, or plug into a wired connection. These quick fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.